What's going on, tubers? How's everybody? Another day on the lake here. Let these waves get done so y'all can hear me. Tell you what we got going on. First thing we got going on is a beautiful day. Fishing a rocky, sandy cove here out in the middle. And we're trying out a new joint today. Bile spawn, vile bug. Yeah. I'll show you the bait when I bring it in, which will be right here in a second. Kind of out of position here. Look, got this little Texas rig, aka shaky head. It's the last day before a bunch of weather rolls in, so everybody's out on the lake today. Except for me, I'm sitting here banking it. Mid 60s. Well, mid to low 60s. Just had a big V-haul go by doing about 40. Still a nice relaxing day though. Trying to see if we can talk Mr. Big Lips to get on the hook here. Getting close to being able to doing some real fishing. Hopefully Saturday we'll be on the water. Gonna order a wireless mic set up this week too, so I can actually set the phone down. Get rid of this neck mount I got going on here. Build me a little tripod. Don't necessarily have to build one, but I'm gonna build a little deal to hold the phone. We got the Bill Dance Quantum again. But we're looking forward to being on the boat for real. Just give it a little bump. Pulling in the slack, letting it sit for a minute. Power company's out and about. Hopefully they'll go down my road Every time it gets a good rain coming, we got a damn power line down or something. Let's get this thing out a little deeper here. That'll work. Give me a little snort of Mountain Dew and Fruit Punch Fanta. Got a nice little tangy bite to it. I like it. I gotta go to the doctor Thursday, and then we're gonna go to Academy. Let's see what we can find there. Thinking about getting a rod or a bait casting combo, and then I need a rod for my Black Max Abu Garcia I got. Excuse me. It kind of tasted like salt and vinegar potato chips. But we're working on getting everything we need put together for a little water action. Looking forward to hitting this creek in the deep water sections. Got some 40 and 50 foot areas out there. Some nice channel action. Anybody live on Clark's Hill, jump down there in the comments, let me know. This is the Soap Creek, and straight across over there, if you can follow my rod tip, that's where Soap Creek and Dry Fork Creek meet up. I pulled a lot of hybrids and stripers and largemouth out of this area of the lake throughout my lifetime. Alright, let's get this old bug out there again. Peaceful out here. Bunch of rocks down there. You feel every pebble. Got a spinning combo beside me here with a swim bait on it. We might give that a rip here in a little bit. That's a nice little chunk. Can't seem to get more than about 50 or 60 feet off the bank with this rod though, without the reel losing its mind. Let it sit right there for a second. There's a pretty good rock right there. Just pulled over top of it. Where's everybody fishing at? Are y'all iced over? Y'all still getting it on, or what's going on? This is the little 6.5 to 1. Pretty nice little reel. I have yet to hook a fish on it though. Got pulled up on the wrong side of a rock there. It wouldn't come around it. Check, make sure my hook point's still covered up. Oh yeah, we're good. I love that blue flake in that thing. Very nice. I dig it. Just bumped off another pretty good sized rock right there. Nice little pontoon coming up here. I thought about getting a pontoon. I don't know if I'd enjoy it as much as I'd enjoy a V-hull or a bass boat or a John boat. It's a lot of anchors to hold them big jokers steady. Yeah, dang it, we're hung up on something. Alright, let's get up and walk to the side here. Yep, we're hung up on something big down there. Alright, we kept our bait. That's a good thing. Double check, make sure I didn't screw anything up here. Nope, we're still good. There's some nice ribs on that thing though. It's hollow on the side. I don't know if that's for water. Makes the water gush through there and make noise or what. It's definitely a nice looking bait though. Let's do a little steady retrieve here, see if we can. Yeah, I grew up fishing under that bridge over there. Some nice deep 35, 45 foot of water under there. It's usually in the 50s. They got the lake down quite a bit. It's just pretty shallow right now. That's a dang good place to hook into some big crappie though. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to getting me a different mount system. Get that wireless mic so I can actually get good audio off of it. Pretty happy with the audio as far as the mount goes that I'm using now, but I just don't like it. It's too wobbly. Let's get the grass off of that dude right there. Yummy. There we go. Definitely be a nice day to be out there deep water. Where are we at time-wise on this? 18 minutes. Yeah, we're probably going to let you guys go. It doesn't appear that we're going to catch anything yet again. So we'll probably call it a day. At least for video. I'm going to stay out here and fish a while, but like I said, this weekend we should be floating. Definitely looking forward to that. But y'all have a good day. Head over to my little Instagram there, K4K Outdoors. I think that's what it is. I changed it. I'm not sure what it is actually. Hold that thought. I'll have to let you know. But y'all have a good day. Stay safe with the holiday coming up. Want to see y'all next week safe and sound. And yeah, got some grass on here again. All right, y'all be good or be good at it, one or the other. Later.